Hello, welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe.
Welcome, curious souls, to a secret journey through the hallowed halls of the museum, where echoes of the art of beautiful plaster statues beckon you to unravel the secrets hidden within. Do you feel the mysterious appeal of these sculptural sirens, as if guarding the secrets of the sculptor's Utopia? Looking into the sculptor's studio, a realm where dreams materialize. Imagine the sculptor's estate, a sanctuary where imagination intertwines with reality. Here, in the midst of creative alchemy, art is born, beautiful plaster statues, each bearing witness to a silent dialogue between sculptor and deity. But why a museum, you may ask? Therein lies the mystery. The museum, a repository of time and stories, becomes the stage on which these statues go beyond mere craftsmanship. Imagine marble statues. But today our attention shifts to the subtle appeal of plaster molds strategically placed to whisper stories that resonate through the ages. As the tapestry of tranquil music unfolds, we are taken on a virtual walk through the museum's labyrinthine corridors. The statues, our storytellers, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Each of them, a beautiful plaster statue, invites you to peer into the depths of its narrative. Listen closely to the whispers of secrets that hang in the air. These statues, placed in the most unconventional corners, tell stories that go beyond conventional art. What dreams have been carved into their forms? What stories do they share with those who dare to immerse themselves in their silent symphony? And here comes the question, the key to unlocking the mystery. Have you ever wandered through a museum with statues that seem to breathe life into the silence? This is not just a virtual stroll, but an invitation to walk the corridors of a sculptor's utopia, to fall asleep to the soothing cadence of whispers and the serenity of quiet music. Our odyssey comes to an end, but the alluring power of these beautiful plaster statues remains. Close your eyes and let history sweep through your dreams, a tapestry beyond dreams. Until we meet again, may the whispers of museum mysteries remain in your heart, and may you find solace in the mysteries of art that survive time.